Okay, so today I want to replace the windshield wiper blades. And I've always noticed with new cars that the factory blades always seem to last longer than any of the aftermarket blades I ever buy. So instead of hitting local stores and picking up a new wiper blade, I decided to buy a new factory wiper. And they're about $10 each. It's from Honda, and it's a new piece of rubber made in Japan. And I think that's going to work well for me. At some point, the spring action is going to wear out in the blade. I'll have to replace the whole blade, but I don't think I need to do that for many years. You're going to replace this at least once a year. I live in Florida, so the wipers here take a beating. So mine's a little over a year old now, and I'm starting to see some streaking. The first thing you do is you're going to raise your blades up into the service position, and then you're going to pop this. And then you're going to remove the blade by sliding it down like this. And it's a lot easier to service at that point. In case you didn't see that, here's the other side. And you're going to just take a little screwdriver right here, pop that up. And that allows the blade to slide down so that you can remove it. Simple as that. The blades are two different sizes. The passenger one is shorter. It'll be obvious, but this is the longer one out of the package. And we're going to reuse the refill holder, and we're going to reuse the metal support bars inside. You'll notice that one end is kind of open, and one end is kind of closed. And then line everything up the same. You'll see on your wiper blade that same closed one here. And then the other end, you'll see the open one. So you got to grab the closed end right here and pull. And you're going to remove the rubber and the two metal support bars inside at the same time. Okay? I'm going to get started. Just give it a little tug and it pops right out. Like this. And, I only got one hand, but you kind of get the idea. There you go. Line the rubbers up so they look the same, and you can see a little indent there, and you see how this metal bar has got a little notch facing up. So you just want to remove this bar and then stick it into this side, exact same orientation. Okay, releases really easily. Put that metal bar back in exactly how you found it on the other side. I will tell you, this plops out easily, so when you're doing the other side, you're going to be holding it together at the same time. And it's no big deal. But if you want, you can flip this over, and then flip over your old one. Oh, that popped right out. And you can see the double notching on this one right there. And that's going to slide right into here. You want to make sure you're using the upper slot, not the lower slot, okay? Plopped in place very easily, no problems. And now we just gotta feed it back into the holder. Feed it back in. And it's gonna go into this groove right here. And it should look nice and clean like that. You see that notch touching the metal, then you know you got it in wrong. And you're basically gonna feed this along to all these contact points, making sure it sits just like this. You can always use your other blade as a reference in case you're confused. Okay. It's all fed in. I've got it through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contact points. And when you get done, you're going to give it a little push and it's going to snap in place to hold it, okay? Just like that. You know what? This blade is done, ready to be reinstalled. Passenger side is the same as the driver's side. You're just duplicating that whole process again. And just use the old blade as a template. And you can see the stuff just slides right in. Not really any problem. There we go. So I'm going to check, make sure everything is looking good. It is. And I'm going to push it, and it will snap in place. And now this one's done. So I'm going to hold my little clippy thing up like this, and then I'm going to shove that in there like that, turn it flat, and pull. Now it's locked in, and then snap this down. Oop, now it's locked in. And then snap this down. This won't go down unless this has been set properly. And then this blade is 100% done, ready to go. Let's see how we did here. Oh, yeah. Nice and quiet. And I am streak free. That's as clean as the day I got the truck. Looks great. And that's it for wiper refill replacement for the Honda Ridgeline Generation 2.